Kids Craft Pretty Paper Beads. Make one-of-a-kind jewelry by rolling triangles of paper into pretty beads. Ready, set, roll. Here's a list of things you'll need. Use a ruler to draw triangles about 1¼ inch, or 3 centimeters wide, and 12 inches, or 30 centimeters in length, onto paper. Carefully cut out each triangle. Place the needle on the widest end of the triangle and roll the paper around the needle twice. Spread glue along the rest of the triangle. Continue rolling the needle to the end of the triangle, pressing down firmly as you roll. Slide the bead off the needle and let it dry. Before beginning your next bead, wipe the needle and your hands clean of glue. Once your beads are dry, squirt a dollop of glitter glue onto scrap paper. Roll each bead in it to create a fabulous, sparkly effect. You can coat your finished beads with varnish or craft glue to make them shiny and strong. Thread your finished beads onto string or elastic to make beautiful necklaces and bracelets.